Hey guys, I'm back. Ooh, my husband finally came home so he can take my daughter. Okay, so now it's going to be time for styling. Let's take this off slowly. So I had this on for about... Oh, this side is not like cooperating, but you know what, it is what it is. Okay, so just fix the back. So I actually made this wig too big because I bought a bigger wig head. So I got a 24-inch wig head because when I used my 22 one, the wigs were always too small. But I think I should have got a 23-inch instead of a 24 because at the back it's quite big. But oh well, bobby pins can fix that. Plus I'm not tying up anyway. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hot comb and I'm going to flatten this and then I'm going to style it. So I'm going to put some curls in the hair. I've already put brief layers in there, but I think I'm going to add a bit more just so it looks better once everything's curled, because I'm trying to get those Instagram curls, honey. Look how shiny the hair is. I haven't even put anything in it. Like, the hair has literally been left for 2 weeks. Because I just wore it when I went out to a wedding. And then I haven't worn it since because obviously I haven't gone anywhere except work. And wearing a frontal wig to work is just long because then I'll have to glue it because I don't have time in the morning to keep reapplying. And got to be, and like the gels, they don't last until the next day because then once I shower it becomes loose and I won't have time to fix it. So yeah, but I did quite good with the baby hair. Okay, so let's brush. This is about to be my mirror. Okay, so hopefully my hot comb is hot enough. So the thing with this one is just not, it takes a while to get super hot. I think I might get the Papachi one at some point, especially because it's pink and pink is literally my favourite colour, so that makes it even better. But also because that one, it has different temperatures. Just look at how this goes flat so easily, and this isn't even that hot. Listen, invest in raw hair, guys. Like, honestly, I'm not even getting paid for this, and this hair was paid for like so when I tell you this is good hair, this is me being honest. I'm not saying it just to get money because I'm honestly not getting anything out of this. Because I know a lot of people, like influencers, when they get, well, I'm not an influencer, but you know, striving to be one at some point. But you know, these influencers, they get free hair, so they start acting funny. They don't want to be being honest. But yeah, this is the colour one that I'm using. It's a Babyliss wand. I can't remember what this is called. I used to have the pearl, literally best wand ever. But then it finally died on me. Well, it didn't die, but it was loose and I couldn't fix it with a screwdriver, so I just had to let it go and buy this one which was close enough to it. So I'm just going to wrap this around. I'm sure you all know how to use a curling wand. Leave that on for about 10 seconds. So I'm going to fast forward because yeah, it's not. This is something that we all know how to do. Well, should know how to do. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this and then I'll come back when I'm done and then I'll layer it and style. Okay, so this is the final piece. So I'm going to let that cool down a bit. Just going to flatten this a bit. Okay, it's flattening a lot better now because it's hotter than it was before. Let's put that up a bit. If you still don't have a hot comb in this 2020, I don't know what you're doing, you know. Because a wand can only do so much. Okay, so I'm not going to put hairspray. I'm just going to finger comb and then I'm going to put in the layers. So I made it looser at the back and tighter at the front because that's usually how I like it. So you've got these nice spirals at the front. Okay, so I've got my scissors. These need sharpening because they're so rubbish now. Okay, so you should never turn your curling iron off straight away because there will always be some curls that you want to fix, especially because I'm cutting. Okay, so I want it quite short. There you go. And here. I'm just actually just picking up and cutting and to my preference. So there's actually no special way that I do this. I just grab hair and cut pretty much. I just feel that hair looks better once it's layered, especially when it's curled. It just makes the look, it just makes it look complete. Like, it looks better already. Second that. So, like I said, don't turn off the curling iron because I could already see that here. I'm gonna gonna fix that front. See, look at that. Look how bouncy that is. Okay, this is where I always end up flopping because I don't go the right way. Okay, there we go. See what I mean? They're snagging. So it's not cutting it properly. Okay, there we go. Still snagging a bit. It's the way I'm holding it. It's because I'm right-handed, so it's hard to cut on the left. But I'm just going to do the best I can. I'm not no professional cutter, so this is probably not going to look even, but it is what it is. As long as it doesn't look bad, then it's all good. And I'm going quite high at the front because I want it shorter. No, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna use my brush just to make it a bit bigger. See, when you use the brush, you see how it all just comes together. Let me just bring that forward and then back. You see how pretty that is? Like, you see how the curls just come together? That is what I want. So, bring it back and then push it forward. Pull it back. And push it forward so they get that Instagram look. But I'm gonna fix the curls here because so just the ones at the top we're gonna fix. And just wherever you see that you feel that the curls have gone, honestly I really love this hair. Like I said, I don't use hairspray, and the curls lasted in this hair for like a week once I did them, because when I went to the wedding I curled the hair. And well, it's probably because I wasn't wearing it that it lasted so long, but still, even some hair, you'll curl it even if it's a wig, leave it, and the next day or even within a couple hours the curls are gone. Is it still on? Okay, it's still on. I thought it turned off. Okay, so there we go, that's better. Then we'll do the same for this side. So I want to get it right at the top. Just like that. Because you want a bit of volume at the top. I don't want too much volume, but I want volume. So I'm going to have to use my brush because I don't like that. You see how it's separated? I don't like that. I like the curls to look like one, if that makes sense. But yeah, how is everyone finding this quarantine? Honestly, it's starting to get to me mentally because I'm just at home with my daughter most of the time. I haven't seen my mum and my little sister in a while, and they only live like 15 minutes away by car. So yeah, it's been hard, it's been lonely because my daughter doesn't talk, so there's not really anyone for me to talk to. Yes, look at this hair. Let me bring it back so you can see. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm about to burn myself again. Just look at this hair, get into it. I haven't put any product in it. I did put serum when I did it the first time, but this time nothing. Let me turn around. So look at that. Yes, get you some Schwan hair. I'm not even wearing makeup and I'm looking bomb. That's how you know that hair is good. Because if you got your hair done and you're still looking bomb without makeup, well, I'm cute without makeup anyway, but you know, like sometimes some hair you just wear it when the hair is like too big like this, you feel like you need makeup to complete it. But with this, you can literally rock this out, put some lip gloss on, some eyelashes, and you're good to go. This is just, yeah, this is just everything. Came out so good. And their frontals are transparent. Look at how well that's blending in with my skin. I use a foundation that's darker because I usually find that works better for me. I struggle so much with transparent frontals. The first time I got one, it was a complete flop. I tried so many different methods. I looked up so many different methods on YouTube, and then lo and behold, Erica J, the angel, I watched her video. She said to use a colour that is darker than your skin. That's what I've been doing, and look at that. It's just, you need to learn, you can learn everything off YouTube. But yeah, that is the end of this video. It's, what time is it? It's 8:30, so I'm not about to be doing my makeup just for a video. Maybe if I can be bothered, I'll do it tomorrow. But I'll see how it goes. But yes, makeup video will definitely be coming along with this hair because I need to have a full beat with this hairstyle. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.